Hey Drew on the track.
Hey guys, this is Maria. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I make beauty videos, vlogs, and lifestyle content. If that sounds like something y'all like, come join the family, press that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification. Now this video is going to be on the white concealer TikTok hack. It's been all over TikTok, all over Reels, I've seen it everywhere. The UK babes do it, they do a little different, but this video is going to be specifically on the white concealer hack. So if you guys want to see how I did it to create this look, stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like my content, definitely shoot me a comment. Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notifications, and I love you guys. Okay guys, so like I mentioned in the intro, today this is gonna be me demonstrating the white concealer TikTok hack. I guess you would call it a TikTok hack, even though people been doing it. It was a trend, it went out of style, now it's coming back in style. You know, makeup trends leave and come back. So this is the white concealer hack. Now I already did my foundation, I already did my eyes, I already did my eyebrows, and I'm just here to lay the concealer. So the way I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna just go in and put concealer all on the white all under there. Like, that's ridiculous, and nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna just put the white here. So let's see what this gives. Just for educational purposes, for foundation I use NARS Natural Radiant in New Caledonia and in Marquise mixed together. It is a little bit darker, but especially since I'm gonna be so dramatic on the under eye, you know, I just didn't want the whole face to be light. So this is a little bit darker for me, especially for winter, but we're gonna roll with it, y'all. I hope I'm focused. But okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use 3 concealers. I'm gonna use a concealer that's close to my skin color. This is the Pat McGrath in MD25. I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut, and also in white. These 3 concealers. Yeah. So the first one I'm gonna lay is the one that's like my shade. I'm gonna lay that to the outer edge of the eye, mostly because I wanna bring all the light to the inner corner and directly underneath the pupil. So I don't wanna start white all the way throughout. I just wanna concentrate it towards the center, if that makes sense. So we're gonna go in with this. You sort of wanna do it like that, sort of like a liner. Any of you guys tried the Pat McGrath concealer? What y'all think? What y'all think? Because low-key, like I know that's Auntie Pat. But low-key, I feel like it's a little bit overrated. Just a little bit. It's good or whatever. But for how much I paid for this, 35, 40, whatever I paid for this, it's a little bit overrated for the price. But that's neither here or there. Luxury, I guess. So I put that on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go in with Deep Chestnut, and I'm gonna bring the Deep Chestnut right. Basically, I'm gonna fill in the other parts of the under eye. So in the direct inner corner, and then I'm gonna bring it here, and then I'm gonna put it on the rest of my highlighting areas. Now this concealer dries extremely fast, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna blend out my chin, my nose, my lip, this part, and I'm gonna leave the eye. Okay guys, now for the under eye, I'm gonna start blending the outside, and then I'm gonna blend the inside last. Okay, now that our base of our highlight is basically blended out, At this time, I'm gonna go in with that white concealer, y'all. I'm a little scared. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm a little scared, but we gonna make it do what it do. We gonna take white, and this is like white, y'all. It's white. So I'm gonna take the white, and I'm literally gonna go in right there. So right here, just feather it in a little bit. Because you remember, I'm gonna focus the light in the center. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. It like basically mixed in with the concealer, so. And then I'm gonna put a little bit here. I'm not gonna put it on my forehead because we don't wanna do too much forehead stuff because we're gonna be out here looking crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna just let that dry down a little bit. Take that same concealer brush that I used before and just start blending them out, the white out. Ooh, y'all, this is looking kind of crazy. I'm a little scared. I like to bring my concealer up here a little bit just to really drag that light to the inside of the face. Oh wow, guys, that is bright. That is bright, y'all. I'm scared. That's a little bright, but we're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work. Now let me just do the nose. Okay, what I'm gonna do is now it's time for us to set the face, y'all. So to set my face, I'm gonna go in with the One Size translucent powder. This is like my favorite powder right now. Chef's Kiss. I always want to say that, Chef's Kiss. No, but seriously, this powder is where it's at. This powder is where it's at. I'm gonna push this to set. Okay, y'all. Yeah, I don't want to necessarily bake. I just want to set it. I'm going to use the MAC, what is this called? Studio Fix powder in NW45. This is just how I set my under eye normally, guys. I use these two powders. I mean, this is gonna bring a little bit of color under there where it was looking a little ghostly, you know? Now this, I definitely push this into the face. So I'm gonna start off with Thick Mint by Rihanna, the bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with same MAC Studio Fix powder in NW58. This is sort of to start building out the contour. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this blush from the Crayon Case. Lately, I've been liking blush, y'all. Okay, guys, since this video is just about how it's gonna turn out, the under eye concealer, I am going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back, tell you guys my thoughts, and we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about this white concealer and if it's really giving what it has supposed to give, and if we really gonna do this on a regular. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. First of all, let's get into it. See what it's really giving, you know? Get into the face, get into the face, get into the face, get into the face. Serving looks, serving looks. Okay, that's how this is about. This is about this white concealer, y'all. This little white lady right here. This little white lady, the white concealer. So I finished the look. I didn't do anything special for as like my finishing steps. I use the same exact finishing steps I use every time I do my makeup. Nothing special, same products. I sprayed my face down. Sprayed my face down with this to take away that ashy look. Y'all can see it. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. It hydrates skin and refreshes makeup with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this is a very moisturizing spray because I have powdered my face down and I have combination dry skin, so we ain't wanna be out here looking ashy. So I sprayed my face down. What can I say about this? So what I would say is this is gonna give a beat look. You heard that? Beats, like you gonna be beat. I mean, you gotta know what you're doing. Like you gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know when it's a little bit overboard. Like you see what I did? I took it in 3 steps. Like I didn't just go and white. I didn't do that because I knew that was risking it all. I wasn't ready to risk it all, you know? So I took it in 3 steps. You know, I did my concealer, the darkest concealer on the outside. Then I came in with a middle concealer and then I came in with the white. Focusing on the middle of the face, really to bring in that light in the middle of the face. I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I like it and I'm gonna do it again. What's that TikTok? I liked it, I did it, and I'm gonna do it again, I'm gonna do it again. Like, now, would I do this every day? No. Would I do this every time? No. Would I modify it a little bit? Maybe. Maybe I might not do white, I'll just do like this shade. Can y'all see? I'll do like this shade or like something that's not so white, maybe. And shoot, I'll probably still throw a little white in the corner, like, cause this, it look good. Like, y'all telling me this don't look good? It looks good. Okay, so I will definitely do this again. Yeah, like if y'all have any questions, leave it down below. This is what I'm gonna need y'all to do. This is what I'm gonna need y'all to do. Y'all came, y'all watched this video. You know, I put my all into the video. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, number 1. I'm gonna need y'all to put y'all post notifications on. Hit that bell, number 2. And number 3, follow your girl on Instagram. Like, I'm trying. My Instagram ain't all up to date, up to par. It ain't looking, you know, sparkly, darkly, but I'm trying. Follow your girl on Instagram. You know, I post on my story every day. But yeah, also, if you like this video, I know you're gonna like the last one. I did it, the last one is a tutorial on this hairstyle. So check that out, I'll leave it in the cards. And thanks for watching.
Cut the music. Cut it.
What is it?
What was said?
I just want to.
What was said?
I just want to.
What was said?
I just want to.